video I'm going to show you the Privasea airdrop that you are seeing on the screen. So Privasea and they raised 10 million plus their fundraising. So here is backed by Binance as well, one of the biggest platform in this planet in crypto. So anyhow, I will show you step by step how you can join. I never prepared for this video, I just going it gradually. Okay, casually I'm recording this video, so just keep attention and see how I do it. Okay, so I'm saying again, I never before participate in this airdrop, never be freak out if I be freak out within this video, so because I haven't knowledge about it. But you can get, I never teach you. I'm saying I'm just joining because I need to join, and I'm just recording this video and that's it. So just you can see it, you can yeah, maybe I have some experience more than you, but there's a lot of guys in my channel, in my Telegram channel, they have more than me experience. So anyhow, I'm going to join in this offer. So in order to join in this offer, what you need to have is Telegram. So just check out this description box. Inside of this description box you will get my channel's our channel's description box. So this is the channel. 67 people join across all around the world. Okay, there's no this is international channel, international Telegram channel, like across all around the world, from Cameroon, Nigeria, Africa, Middle East, all around the world. So in order to join in this airdrop, what you need to have Discord and your MetaMask and Telegram as well. So if you are new, you need to have those things, and if you already joined, maybe you participating in the past, so it's so much easier for you. But it's not tough, it's not complex as much as you think, those who are thinking. So just click on this, go to Discord or copy it out and paste it into whatever browser you want to use, or where you have your Discord account or MetaMask account. So if you do multi, I'm saying please do specific account for those specific browser. Okay, so here is I'm pasting the Discord link, just see how it is work. So while I do paste, each of those time that I showed you before my previous video, it takes a little bit time from me because in my country I'm inside of the village, rural area, and here this network problem is so much. I'm not using Wi-Fi, I'm not using laptop, PC, all sort of stuff. So I'm just doing participate by mobile phone. Maybe I see 100k 80k earn 100k 80k guys earn from airdrops testnet. He does everything by mobile. So it is awesome, I would say. So here is, I'm going to use this account. So logged in. So wait a minute, I'm not a robot here, and it will be immediately sign in. Okay, your email need to be verified. Okay, in order to verify your email, you need to go inside of your Gmail. So very little bit time, I need to go out from that link. So I already logged in my Discord, as well as I joined Privasea Discord server. So join efficiently. Okay, so and here is, after joining and doing verification, how you can do verification, just tap on this little bit button, it will be immediately verified. So here is, look at into black squeeze inside of the bottom column. I already showed you in circle way. So click on that black squeeze, and here is, just type this slash and QUI quit. So it is a little bit doing problem. So this port, tap on there, and quiz, I'm going to send it out, and for you quiz space will be open. So let close it out. Okay, now it's so good. So just click on this little bit button, start quiz. Okay, so here is I'm going to show. So okay, so now just zoom it out if you don't understand anything at all. So what is the primary goal of the Privasea project? So if you want to know it about, it would be A, but if you don't have any answer, come into Telegram, and here is, if you see that answer quiz, okay, answer link in here, so click on this here and that will solve your answer. So answer here, what is the Privasea aiming to achieve with the Inhuman app? It is, what is the primary goal of Privasea project? This one. What is the primary goal of this one? So would be A. So would be A. Number A. Sorry, word A. So what is Privasea aiming to achieve with the Inhuman app? So what is the Privasea aiming to achieve? C. Number C. Word C. Sorry. So what is the how does the Privasea project utilize the concept of decentralized physical infrastructure network TP in order to getting, how does, okay, number B, sorry, word B would be answer. Just find it out from there. What is the key performance of the Inhuman app? So what is the key performance? Okay, it's word A would be answer. So click on this A. And what is does Privasea or anyone else have access to the biometric data? No, user biometric data neither. Okay, just see it. Does, where is does? Okay, it would be C. No, users biometric. Okay, after doing it, what is a fully homomorphic encryptions, whatever? So number T. So here is, it is number T. So it will be answer, and maybe we done. Okay, how would you best describe the Privasea project? How would you, okay, it's C would be answer, the last one maybe. So yeah, they will know you that congratulations, you have completed the quiz. 7 out of 7 you did answers properly. So now you have roles. You have a role here that you done your efficiently the quiz on. So maybe, okay, quiz champion, they provided this role. Just maybe while they will allocate the point, maybe at that time you need to connect your Discord, as well as maybe connect your Discord, and they will give you something for that. Okay, so anyhow, this is the Discord task, and number 2 is answer here and do done Glax task as well. Okay, just copy it out. Okay, I will do copy. Okay, I'm doing copy it out, and I'm going to paste it in this same browser, because I want to organize this stuff. If I do random stuff, it will be so messy. I forget which account I did connect, which account I answer this question by Discord, so it will be like messy, therefore I'm using organized way everything every day. So here is, I'm going to click on this login button, and MetaMask I'm going to connect, because most of this time MetaMask is your identity, okay, in Web3. So here is, it will take password is of this time, like while you did login 6 hour 5 hour later. Okay, so yeah, it will be efficiently connected. After connecting, what you need to do is just do task efficiently. Okay, so if it is not does well, okay, I'm just seeing the I'm checked it out, MetaMask extension. Inside of the extension space where MetaMask get notified, and just click the sign in and go back again in the Relax task, and here is your profile would be connected. Okay, your MetaMask would be connected here, if you noticed. Anyhow, task is incomplete. So here is, if you noticed that each of the tasks, first one is unlocked, and each of those, the next on is locked, next 4 is locked. So if you done efficiently this task, the next one would be automatically unlocked. Okay, just do it. Okay, so click on there in order to follow their Twitter. I'm showing you just fast on because video would be so long if I show you the easy task. Okay, everybody can do this task, but keep in mind that do done efficiently, because relax, tracked, each of those your tasks that you done, okay, or either you do it or not. But if you don't do it, it will not be done. Okay, I'm giving you example. So let's say number second on, let's say I'm going to do this task without doing exact task, so it will never be done. Okay, if you noticed. So 60 seconds that's taken. Oh, verification field, you did not do it, never be cheat here. Okay, with it. So do the task efficiently. So I see couple of airdrop like automatically be done, but in end of the day they checked out, never be cheat, never like do work. It's take a little bit of work. Okay, inside of the internet, and mobile, just doing like follow, it's not tough. Just do. Why you are doing cheating with them? So do done efficiently. Even I was like this, that I'm trying to say. I never did properly those tasks, and but earlier day I get a lot of couple of profit from doing airdrop. But yeah, that's great way to doing income. So go back inside of here again, and you just click on here, and now I done all sort of tasks. Now climb your 10 point in the bottom side, that is loading. I will do inside the blue. Okay, so here is, after claiming, click on this arrow button. Okay, the second one. While you will go your second task, it will be automatically enter. Just visit the hosting those who provide this airdrop, Privasea, their page. Whatever they want to do by you, just do immediately those tasks. It is not costing you anything at all. Okay, so never be lazy, never be cheat with any airdrop. And yeah, end of the month, essentially, eventually you will get some reward from this type of airdrop. So never be cheat with them. Okay, keep in mind. So I never did it. Okay, I didn't did it properly. So do it properly, and after doing it, each of those tasks, let's say you done it, go to here. Okay, so it is locked because you did not turn this on. Okay, so okay, I already, okay, this on get done. So claim 5 point. Okay, so they will never be cheat with you, because if you do that, they will indeed accept you. So number 3 will be unlocked, immediately will be unlocked. Okay, it will take a little bit time, but never be freak out. Okay, first, okay, it is done. Now you go to the primary Discord server. You need to go with that. So do the efficiently, and just I showed you entire process of joining in this airdrop. Privasea, so new offer. You can join from 30 days later, no problem. Just do participate in this offer now. If you don't understand anything at all, just reach out inside of my Telegram, and you will get everything inside of this video's description box. So what is description box? Just click on the title button, everything will pop up in front of you. So as well as I will welcome you inside of my Telegram channel. So see you later in the Telegram channel.